Hello and welcome to this European Safelist review. I'm doing this European Safelist review to see if you think it's worth your time to use this to promote whatever offers you know, like, and trust and are putting out there. So, European Safelist is a safe list in the truest sense of the word, meaning on a lot of viral mailers and safe lists there are banner ads, text ads, and other functions. But European Safelist, obviously, you sign up to it with an email. I have a Gmail here that is specifically for safe lists. And as you can see, I have them filtered down the side. So the best thing about European Safe List, in my opinion, is the simplicity. What I'm saying is I have surfed around 100 emails today. So you get in, make sure you read your emails from European Safe List or any other mailer because you will miss stuff if you don't. So the best thing about this one is it's simple. You go to your members area, okay? They tell you right from the top to the bottom what the offers are, what they pay. I am currently using this as a free member, have been for a long time. And as a free member, you may email 5,000. Free members are allowed to send up to 5,820 members. Okay, that means you are able to send your ad for free to 5,820 of the members of this safe list. So for free, that's a pretty dang good return on investment. What I do is always when you're in the emails, you'll see the click to earn credits. And I do this. I'll show you here. Right click, open link in new tab, go to the next mail. Right click, open link in new tab off the credit one. And then what happens is they pile up. Of course, you see you're going to have a timer, but I open approximately 10 at a time. Every mailer's different, but that is about what is nice to work with. So it's simple, it's easy to use. If you can right click and put open in a new tab from your Gmail where you receive their emails, then you're good. Now, once you have all 10 of these open, like I waited for this timer to go, you have to click the code. On a Windows computer, I do Control Tab. So what I do is click this, get credited, Control Tab, click the matching number, and go through. I'm going to go a little faster here. And so what that does is you can get through these in a fairly brisk fashion. So today I've been clicking for credits here. Took me about 20 minutes to read 100, 110 emails from European Safelist. Now you can see all my tabs, so I go back. I personally keep the members area open a little further to my left, but what I do is you've read all 10, you've got credits, and you just collapse them down. And then once you are done with them, of course, you can click on. Usually I do 100 at a time, so I don't have to do this individually. I get rid of them 50 at a time, but just stressing the importance of once you are done reading, go back and delete the emails. Now it's time to send. Of course, members area is here. That's really all you need to know. Members area is here. They tell you anything you want to know about upgrading. That's your business. I choose to use it as a free member at this point. But members area is here. Down here is credit mailer. You click on this, and I'll go in to where I have one of my ads saved for the business I'm promoting, one of them. So have it in a Gmail draft if you want. And then all you do is copy and paste. And it is one of the oldest safe lists around. European Safe List is. I've been using this for years. And as I've probably reiterated more than once in this video, I've been using it for free. And for me, the 20 minutes invested for the option to send it to 5,820 people is totally, totally worth it. So you copy and paste, you put your subject line, the ad body about what you are promoting, and then you hit 5820 in this case. And I want to save this message, and then you hit send. And then it says mailing in progress will notify you when it's finished. Now, usually, so I'm going to log out here, and everything you need to know is in the home menu, which is here. You can scroll top to bottom, learn everything you ever want, and anything credit mailers, saved messages, solo ads, and so on and so forth is all down the left-hand side. So it's simple, it's free. You can reach dang near 6,000 members of European Safelist. That's a great value for 20 minutes of your time, in my opinion, and you're not drawn off topic by banners and text ads and whatnot. And you, while those are great 24/7 advertising, to have a little free powerhouse like European Safelist that you can send almost 6K people with your offer, I believe that that is a good value. So if you like what you saw here today, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, mash that bell icon so you see more boots on the ground simple tutorials. And if you're interested in the safe list itself, the link to join will be down below in the description. And until we speak again, be yourself, help others, never quit.